Designing curriculum for adult learners isn't just about delivering information, it's about creating experiences that matter. Adults learn best when content is relevant, flexible, and directly connected to real life. So, curriculum design must start with one key question: what do adult learners need to be able to do, not just know? That's the foundation of effective curriculum. It's outcome-based, learner-centered, and purpose-driven. Step 1 is defining clear, actionable learning objectives. These guide every decision you make, from the content you include to the methods you use. Step 2 is understanding your learners. Adults bring experience, expectations, and goals into the learning space. Design your curriculum to honor that. Include room for choice, reflection, and practical application. Step 3 is building structure with flexibility. Adult learners have limited time, competing responsibilities, and unique learning styles. Modular content, self-paced options, and mobile access help meet them where they are. Step 4 is choosing the right mix of methods. Don't rely on just one approach. Blend videos, readings, discussion, projects, and hands-on activities. Use storytelling, case studies, and real-world scenarios to bring learning to life. Step 5 is feedback and assessment. Adults want to see progress and apply what they've learned. Use assessments that reflect real tasks, presentations, portfolios, reflections, or peer reviews, and provide timely, constructive feedback that builds confidence. Step 6 is continuous improvement. Great curriculum is never finished. Collect learner feedback, review outcomes, update regularly to keep it fresh, relevant, and effective. And finally, center the learning journey. Think of your curriculum not as a collection of content, but as a path. A path that moves learners from where they are to where they want to be. When done well, curriculum design becomes more than just planning. It becomes a tool for empowerment, growth, and transformation. Because for adult learners, the right curriculum doesn't just teach. It changes lives.